What if I told you that building $1 million portfolio by the time you're 40 is not just a dream, but a strategic plan? Whether you're 20, 25, or even in your early 30s, you can set yourself on the path to seven-figure net worth by the time you blow out 40 candles on your birthday cake. In this video, we're going to break down the exact steps, mindsets, and money strategies that can take you from wherever you are today to a portfolio worth $1 million or more. No fluff, no gimmicks, just real financial tactics backed by numbers. So grab your notepad, hit that like button, and let's dive in. Section 1. Understand the $1 million goal. Before we talk strategy, let's understand what it really means to have a $1 million portfolio. A portfolio worth $1 million doesn't mean you saved $1 million in cash. It means your investments, stocks, real estate, retirement accounts, and other assets. Total that amount. Assuming a modest 7% annual return, a $1 million portfolio could generate around $70,000 per year without touching the principal. That's the magic of financial freedom. Let's break it down. If you're starting at 20 and want to hit $1 million by 40, that's 20 years. If you're starting at 25, you've got 15 years. Even starting at 30 gives you 10 years. The point is, the earlier you start, the easier the journey becomes. But no matter where you are, it's still possible. Let's talk about how. Section 2. The power of compound interest. Compound interest is your best friend. Albert Einstein reportedly called it the eighth wonder of the world. Let's say you invest just $500 a month starting at age 20 with an average return of 8% annually. By 40, you'll have around $295,000. Not bad, but bump that to $1,000 a month and you're looking at $590,000. Increase that to $1,500 a month and you'll cross the $885,000 mark. With a few windfalls, bonuses, or side hustles, hitting $1 million becomes very real. This shows the formula. Time plus consistency plus growth rate equals wealth. Section 3. Increase income early. Early, you can't save what you don't earn. So before you obsess over saving 10 cents on coffee, focus on increasing your income. Here's how. Get a high-income skill. Learn coding, video editing, digital marketing, or copywriting. Pick a side hustle, freelancing, drop shipping, content creation, or remote consulting. Negotiate your salary early and often. 10% raise today compounds for decades. Aim to get your income to $70,000 to $100,000 plus in your 20s. Not immediately, but as a goal. Then use your increased earnings as fuel for investing, not lifestyle inflation. Section 4. Budget like a millionaire in training. Millionaires don't budget like broke people. They don't penny pinch. They prioritize. Here's the 50-30-20 rule, modified for wealth building. 50% needs, housing, food, utilities. 20% wants, entertainment, travel. 30% investing, saving. Yes, increase this from the usual 20. Use tools like YNAB, you need a budget, Mint, Monarch Money, or even a simple spreadsheet. The key is automation. Set up automatic transfers right after payday. If you don't see the money, you won't spend it. Section 5. Invest smart, not just hard. Where should you invest? 1. Index funds, foundation. Low cost, diversified, and proven. S&P 500 has returned approximately 10% over the last 100 years. Use platforms like Vanguard, Fidelity, or Schwab. 2. Roth IRA/401. KO tax-advantaged accounts are free money. Max out your Roth IRA each year. $6,500 limit. If you have an employer, 401k match, take full advantage. 3. Real estate, a house hacking, renting part of your home. Rental properties with passive income. Rates for no-hassle exposure. 4. Side bets, optional. Crypto, startups, or stocks with high growth potential. But keep it to 5 to 10% of your portfolio. Diversify, don't chase hype. Be consistent. Section 6. Lifestyle choices that build wealth. Wealth is built by decisions no one sees. Drive a reliable used car. Live below your means. Cook at home 5 nights a week. Avoid credit card debt like the plague. These choices might not look glamorous on Instagram, but they're what allows you to invest thousands per month instead of chasing status. Every dollar you don't spend is a soldier working for your freedom. Section 7. Avoid these million-dollar mistakes. Avoiding mistakes is just as powerful as making the right moves. Here are the big ones. Lifestyle inflation, making more money, spending more. Chasing trends, meme stocks, pump and dumps. Panic selling. The market drops, and so does your resolve. High interest debt. Credit cards will destroy your progress. Delaying investing. I'll start next year is wealth suicide. Stay focused, stay calm, think long-term. Section 8. Use windfalls wisely. Tax refunds, bonuses, unexpected gifts. Don't blow them. Every $1,000 invested today can be worth $4,000 or more in 20 years. Use windfalls to max out Roth IRA, pay down debt, add to index funds. Start a side business. Discipline with bonuses builds empires. Section 9. Track, adjust, and repeat. Wealth building is not set it and forget it. Track your net worth, monthly or quarterly, investment returns, expenses and income. Make adjustments annually. Increase your investing rate when you get a raise. Rebalance your portfolio if needed. And remember, you're not just building $1 million portfolio. You're building millionaire habits. Section 10. Final thoughts plus action plan. Let's wrap it up with an action plan. 1. Set your $1 million goal and timeline. 2. Track your current net worth. 3. Increase your income through skills and side hustles. 4th. Budget with purpose and invest aggressively. 5. Avoid bad debt, trends, and lifestyle creep. 6. Stay disciplined, consistent, and patient. Because here's the truth. The difference between a broke 40-year-old and a millionaire 40-year-old is usually just habits and time. Start now. You got this. Like this video if you got value. Comment where you are in your financial journey. Subscribe for more wealth-building content every week.